dumbbell biceps curl is an exercise for developing the biceps muscles in front of your upper arm. For this exercise, you'll need 2 hand weights or dumbbells. See the description below for recommended equipment. Begin standing with the hand weights or dumbbells in both hands at your sides. Shift your weight over to one leg and bring the heel up on the other leg. This position is great for all standing arms exercises with weights because it forces you to keep your legs and core muscles engaged as you do the exercise while avoiding locking your knees. Stand with a tall posture and turn your hands so that your palms are facing forward. Keep your upper arms tight against your torso throughout this exercise. To begin, bend at your elbows to bring the weights up towards your shoulders, stopping just in front of your chest at a slight angle. Then return back to the starting position, controlling the movement all the way back down. Make sure to keep your body still and avoid swinging the weights to lift them up, and instead control the entire movement from start to finish. Up and back down is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more trainer tips and exercise tutorials.